Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ng DJI Mini 5 Pro. Official na, finally, after some leaks. We're going to unbox this and compare its build and construction quickly with our Mini 4 Pro. At the end of the video, papakita kami ng sample tips we've taken using this new drone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So this is the retail box of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. What we've got right here is the Fly More Combo Plus. And as you can see, we've got here the drone, also the RC2 controller, plus the battery. And one of the biggest things about this new upgrade is that the battery can fly, or the drone can fly rather, for 52 minutes. And you've got 3 of these batteries inside this Fly More Combo Plus. And as you can see, we haven't unboxed this yet. This is the front portion of the retail box. We've got here the back portion. And here on the left side, from the front, are, of course, some information about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. All right. There you go. Got here the bag. So this is the bag that came with the drone. Let's remove this part. Right there. It says here DJI, product name DJI shoulder bag. The look of the bag is not too different from our DJI Mini 4 Pro. You've got a mesh here where you can place all of the accessories like the propellers, also the cables and all. This is the DJI RC2, nothing new here. This is the same controller that is in the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We've got here the drone. We'll do a quick comparison later on after we've unboxed everything. We've got here the battery charging hub, which also contains 2 batteries. We'll do a quick comparison of the battery size in a little bit. And also we've got here another bag for all the cables and extra propellers that came with our 5 Pro. Got here the extra propellers. Got here a Type-C to Type-C cable. And we have also a filter. I guess this is a filter case, because what we've got here is the Plus, Fly More Combo Plus. We've got the filters right here, ND8, ND32, and ND128. So if you want to get extra filters, you might want to get the Fly More Combo Plus. Sticker, manual, and that's pretty much everything. And now let's move on to unboxing the RC2. As mentioned earlier, this is not new. This is the RC2 that came with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Let's put this here, and let's put this other one on the left side. Let's pop this. Let's pop this. Now, in comparison, this is our RC2 controller that came with our DJI Mini 4 Pro. As mentioned earlier, it's the same. Nothing new here. It's just that we put an accessory here that would allow us to, you know, protect our monitor. Galing. Okay, so now that we've unboxed the RC2 controller, let's now move on to the drone. This is the Mini 5 Pro. And we've got the propeller protector, lens protector as well. We can remove it from this side, pull, and that's it. That's a very nice lens protector. Do not lose this. And then we've got here also the propellers. Now, if you take a look at the design, the color is a little bit different. Size-wise, it's a little bit bigger, if I'm not wrong, or probably the same size rather. The design of the propeller is a little bit different now. We've got sensors here at the bottom, and in terms of the front, we've got LiDAR sensors. So we've got bigger camera. Aperture is f2.4 and f1.8 on this one, but this is a 1-inch sensor. Pretty much the same design at the top. The battery is much heavier now because of the capacity, different capacity. All right. But the build is pretty much the same. All right, so that's our quick unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. We will be flying this later this weekend. So if you want to take a look at some of the clips we've taken, here you go. That's it for our video today. We will be having a longer feature video of this one, so be sure to check it out. Link is down below at the description and comment section, and also right over here. So if you want to see that, go check it out.